I've had a few questions about what method I use for cooking a steak, and here it is. I put the steak in some water. This is shoulder cut, so maybe a little tough. And for you vegetarians out there, I actually cut up one of my garden onions to act as a flavoring. You can see this is a pretty hefty cut of meat. Alright. How much does it weigh? We have a scale. Let's find out. That's almost, let's see. Oops. That's almost 2 pounds. A pretty good amount of meat. Steaming up very nicely, so we'll take this meat back out. We'll put it in the hot water and let it cook. I will generally cook this about half an hour. Now I'm going to check the meat. I like the meat to be a little rare in the center. I don't like my meat overcooked. Believe it or not, I'm not a big fan of grilling. I like to boil the meat so that the fat is soft and edible. I'm going to enjoy this. It's going to taste just the way I like it. So we'll get her and turn this over a little bit. Let this cook. I can enjoy this for lunch. I've been working outside all day, dealing with some problems with the customers, so now I take my time for lunch. Let this do its thing. I'll get back to it.